Okay, it's time to do these floors. So what we've got here, we've got two different floors. We've got one here that's had an oil-based stain on it originally. As you can see there, it's never had paint on it, it's just clear with stain on it. And this one here has had a paint on it. Now I would say that that is an oil-based paint. You would say, okay, we need to put oil-based undercoat on. No, we don't. I'm going to show you how we're going to get away without undercoating this. And also this one here, that's an oil-based as well. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do that too. I'm going to take a 4-inch grinder. That's just an old disc. I can put a new one on if I want. Just got my mask and my hat on. And we're just going to scuff the whole lot of this up. And what we're going to put on it then is just 2 coats of the weathershield low sheen. As I've scuffed it up, you'll see these little sand marks in there. And this is just a 36 grit disc. So we're just going to scuff that up, and then any of the nails, we'll be knocking the heads of the nails. Anything that comes up shiny, like these ones here, we'll be knocking them down with a punch anyhow. Yes, I'm going to run over this whole floor, which won't take that long. It will be okay to paint with 2 coats of weathershield low sheen, or I haven't tried the all-weather low sheen on these floors. I know the weathershield low sheen will last 10-15 years and you'll never have a problem with it. But that's the only preparation you have to do. And we'll give it a hose down, let it dry, because we're actually back to bare wood there, which is great. We want that nice fresh timber there. That's what we'd like to see. So we've got a bit of wood rot in here. So we'll be picking all that out. We had ants living in there. We'll let that dry out for a while because it's a bit moist. And then we'll fill that with a 2-pack. Need to punch these nails. So what we got here, we've got a 7-inch sander polisher. Basically that's a 7-inch, that's a 24 grit. That's some serious business. And what I want on this floor to make it stick is I want to see these grooves. I want to see them, because that's going to be the secret to make this stick. Done all that with the 5-inch. It's the same principle. It's a bit heavier. Crank it on and go for it.
My best friend, 23. She left her body in Harvard above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me kept me afloat. It felt like heaven, it found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. Guess it's trying to get better. Through the pain, I would go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body in Harvard above me. heavens crying above me. The gain's an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
Right, put the last one on these steps. It's all dry underneath there now. Nice two-tone steps.